Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a chatbot with HubSpot. Let's get started. First, go to HubSpot.com, click on Login up here, and this action will lead you to your HubSpot homepage. Here on the left panel, click on the automations icon right here, then click on Chat Flows from the side menu. This will open a new tab where you will click on Create Chat Flow at the top right, and this new tab will open. For the channel, choose between the website and Facebook Messenger options. Next, choose either you want your chatbot as an inbox or a help desk depending on your preference. And then choose your preferred language as well, then click on Next down here. After that, choose the type of chat flow you would like to create based on your needs. It can be a live human agent, an AI customer agent, or a rules-based chatbot. After that, just click on Create down here to create your own HubSpot chatbot. And that is how you can create a chatbot with HubSpot. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.